How to turn off dark mode in Windows 10. So what we will simply do is we'll go in our search bar and we will search for our settings app here. And after searching for our settings app, we will simply click on our personalization, which is right available in our left corner, left area. And after that, we will simply search for our colors option. We'll click on that. And here you will be able to see choose your mode. You can simply click on that and click on light. So that is how you can create your desktop light, and you can even customize it if you want to. Here you can customize your accent color, and all of the colors are available here. So I prefer the dark one, the dark option, so I'll turn dark on. So I can even use the light one here. So that is how to turn off dark mode in Windows 10.